Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
Yeah, I kind of slid into a parking spot in the parking lot here at the station this morning. Definitely untreated surfaces, very slick this morning from Buffalo northward. Areas to the south, well, it really hasn't been all that bad right now. Across the southern tier and into the northern tier counties of PA, just cloudy skies. You can see the DOT crews have been out working on the Grand Island bridges. At least we're down to pavement there. But a snowy scene, at least looking at the Grand Island bridges, so the south end of the island. And exit 57 on the I-90 down at Hamburg. Looks a little snowy down there. But again, the highway in pretty decent shape, at least. It's the back roads and the side streets that you're really going to have to watch out for, as Gordon just noted. As we take a look at Forewarned Doppler, snow coming down to greet you out there this morning, at least from about the southern suburbs northward across the Niagara frontier, sections of Genesee and Orleans County catching some of this. Maybe just a few flurries drifting eastward across Chautauqua County, but for the most part, things are pretty quiet down here in the southern tier counties and also into the northern tier counties of PA. But you will get your shot of snow down there this afternoon. Yeah, it's still on the way. Let's check it out. The weather for today around the city and the suburbs. Hey, I told you yesterday it was going to snow today, and we're looking at the flakes out there pretty much from start to finish around the city and the suburbs. There may be some periods in which the snow becomes a little more intermittent, but for the most part, we'll continue to have some snow showers around right into the afternoon. About 30 degrees at 8 a.m., 32 at noon, and 34 a little bit above freezing by 5 p.m. Checking it out on Super Microcast, and there's the snow coming down across the Niagara frontier and areas to the north today. Eventually, mid to late afternoon, you start to get into some of that snow further to the south, across the southern tier, into the northern tier counties of PA. And for the most part, most of the snow tonight is going to settle down here across the ski country. And areas down here could pick up maybe 2 to 4 inches of accumulation overnight. Now, tomorrow, the lake snows will be on the move. They'll be weakening. And whatever does hold together could possibly bring a few light snow showers to the city again in the suburbs, maybe very late in the day. Otherwise, just a chance of a snow shower up across northern areas tomorrow. Another more widespread storm system heads our way on Thursday with snow for everyone, and that's going to drag some colder air back down into the region. Well, you can see that snow extending all the way back to the west here, brushing the north shore of Lake Erie. As we check your roadways this morning, definitely a snowy commute. Highways north and south adjacent to the city. Also in the QEW, you're going to be dealing with snow on the main line eastbound into Rochester, and some snow brushing the thruway westbound. Very little happening on the I-86 with basically just cloudy skies in that direction. 28 degrees at Buffalo, 30 from the Falls, 25 at Jamestown, 22 down here at Bradford, and not much of a wind chill this morning with light wind speeds, but the wind will pick up a little bit during the day. Cloudy skies for today with light snow, likely a dusting to 2 inches. Snow developing in areas to the south as we work through the afternoon hours. High temp today, 30 to 34 degrees for the overnight. Snow showers shifting southward to ski country, 2 to 4 inches out of that. The lows tonight, 19 to 24. Snow showers, just a few of them across northern areas tomorrow, with lake snow persisting in ski country, 24 to 28. Possibly shifting northward during the afternoon toward the metro. And on Thursday, cloudy with steadier snow developing by afternoon, 27 to 32. We're down to a high of 23, struggling to hit that on Friday, with snow showers likely to wrap up the week.